The corpse of the person was found naked on a railway track on Sunday morning. Police able to identify the person after they found a driving license near the body. The person name is Rabi Malakar from Telemra Tishindrai village. A sensation was created in Jirania area after a corpse of a person was found naked in Jirania railway track on Sunday morning. Jirania police immediately rushed to the place after decoding information. The deceased's right hand and face was cut. Police able to identify the person after they found a driving license near the body. The person name is Rabi Malakar from Telemra Tishindrai village. Locals suspect that he might be killed because of an argument while carrying the goods and items from the railway stations and later thrown him on the railway track. However, police are not investigating the case. The deceased family members rushed to the Jirania police station after they heard the news. The deceased family members and all the people were terrified by this incident. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.